So, dear students, today we start a chapter or lecture on emulsion as dosage form. An emulsion is a biphasic liquid preparation in which two immiscible liquids are mixed together, one of which is dispersed as minute globules into the other. The liquid which is converted into minute globules is called the dispersed phase or the internal phase, and the liquid in which the globules are dispersed is called the continuous phase or external phase. Normally, two immiscible liquids cannot be mixed perfectly, so an emulsifying agent is added to the system, which forms a film around the globules in order to scatter them in the continuous phase so that a stable emulsion is produced. So, types of emulsions. Next heading. The emulsions are of two types. Number one, oil in water emulsions, O/W. Emulsions which oil is in the dispersed phase are preferred for internal use. In these emulsions, emulsifying agents like gum acacia, tragacanth, methyl cellulose, and soaps made from monovalent bases like sodium, potassium, and ammonium. So, number two is water in oil type, that is W/O emulsion, in which water is in the dispersed phase, whereas oil is in the continuous phase. Such emulsions are prepared with the help of emulsifying agents like bull fat, resins, beeswax, and soaps formed from divalent bases like calcium, magnesium, and zinc. The water in oil emulsions are mainly used externally as lotions or creams. So, next topic is testing type of emulsions. So, the following tests are done to identify oil in water and water in oil emulsions. Number one, dilution test. The emulsion is diluted with the water. In case the emulsion remains stable after its dilution, it is oil in water emulsion. The water in oil emulsion breaks on its dilution with water, but remains stable when diluted with oil. So in this case, milk can be given the example, which is oil in water emulsion, and almost daily people selling milk dilute it with water for one of the or the other reason. So number second test is a dye test. The scarlet red dye is mixed with the emulsion, which is oil soluble. So place a drop of the emulsion on a microscope slide, cover it with a cover slip, and examine it under a microscope. If the dispersed globules appear red and the ground colorless, the emulsion is oil in water type. यानी कि oil is inside the emulsion, that is internal phase, or vice versa. If center is not red, then it is oil in water emulsion. So number 3 is conductivity test. We know what is a good conductor of electricity, whereas oil is bad conductor of electricity. The conductivity test can be performed by dipping a pair of electrodes connected through a low voltage lamp या low voltage bulb in the emulsion. If the bulb glows on passing the electric current, it means the emulsion is oil in water type, because water is in the continuous phase or external phase. On the other side, if the emulsion is oil in water type, because water is in the continuous phase, on the other side, if the emulsion is water in oil type, then the bulb will not glow, and the emulsion is water in oil type, because oil is in the continuous phase. So these were the three simple tests done for the emulsion. Otherwise, if we say types of emulsions are three types also. These are emulsion for oral administration, intravenous emulsions, emulsions for external application. मेरी तेरी तो नहीं है।